Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and I want to talk about the air vent on the top of the MasterBuilt electric smoker. So how far open should it be? I would say for most stuff about halfway. So you can see mine's halfway open. If I turned it this way, it would be all the way open, and that's pretty much closed. But I do it about halfway. See, there's all the way, and there's about halfway. And the reason I do this is at halfway open, that allows a a decent amount of the moisture to escape. So if you were doing something that you wanted to be more dry, then you could smoke with it all the way open. But I'm doing a pork butt, so I want it to be I think about halfway is about optimal. But you can play with your air vent on your MasterBuilt electric smoker and see what works best for you. But obviously I do have a water pan in there, and I'm smoking a pork butt right now, but I keep mine about halfway open. So tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. And when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And be sure to check out all of my MasterBuilt electric smoking videos. If you have any questions, comment below. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.